Hello everyone, welcome back to AuthVaultix. In today's video, I am going to show you the multi-SID binding system. When you create users, you will now see the SID binding feature there as well. And when you create licenses, you will also see the SID binding feature there. So in this video, we'll see how we can bind multiple devices and how this entire system works. Alright. First, you need to open your dashboard. Click on View Example. Here you will find the pre-made example provided by AuthVaultix. You can directly use this pre-made example. Now we are going to create a user. We'll set username 1, password 1. And for device support, we'll set the maximum limit to 2 or 3 devices. Now click on Create User. The user will be created successfully. Now we'll log in using username 1, password 1. Click on login. As you can see, the user has successfully logged in. We also received a new session for this user. Alright. Right now, one device has already been bound successfully. Now I'm going to close the program. Next we'll go to the user section. Right click, open create user and copy the SID. We'll save it in SID notepad so it becomes easier to understand. Now you can see that one SID has already been confirmed. You may wonder why the SID is so long. That's because the multi-SID binding system stores multiple machine identifiers, making SID spoofing much harder. As you can see here, now through Postman we are going to send multiple requests. First, we'll open the website. After opening the website, we'll copy the session. Then we'll replace the session value here. Since I don't currently have multiple computers available, I am demonstrating this using Postman request. Now click on Send. You can see the user has logged in successfully. Now we'll go back to the website and open Edit User. We'll copy the SID again. This was the first machine request. Now this is the second machine login. Alright. Now we are going to log in from the third machine. We'll provide another SID for the third user. Click on Send. The request has been sent successfully. Now we'll refresh it once again. After refreshing, we'll copy the SID one more time. Then we'll paste it separately here. Alright. Now let's try again using another SID. Click on Send and now you can see the message. Device verification failed, device ID mismatch. As you can see, we already bound a total of 3 SIDs. Here, this was the first machine login. This was the second machine login, right? And this was the third machine login route. Now as soon as we tried to log in from the fourth device, the system automatically blocked it and returned the device verification failed message. So this is how the multi-SID binding system works. You can use this feature to provide multiple PC support to specific users. And the exact same system also works with licenses. A built-in chat system is also available. If you face any issues, you can directly send a message in the chat. Or you can click on the profile section and join our Discord server. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to contact us. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye. See you again in the next video.